Hello viewers, welcome to Level Up. So today we are going to start our topic from history, which is very important from B.Ed entrance point of view. And today we are going to study something about Indus Valley civilization. So this picture shows you the Indus Valley civilization. A little bit idea you can get from this picture. So basically this is an area which is situated near Indus river. That's why it is called as Indus Valley civilization. Now in this area there are so many basic, you can say, features of this area. So first of all, this map is going to show you the area which is covered by Indus Valley. That means near Indus river there are certain areas which is called as Indus Valley civilization. Okay, so Indus Valley civilization is extended from Afghanistan, that means here, okay, and to Pakistan and northwest India. So that means it is covering this entire area. Now this map is showing some names of certain cities also, but it has got thousands of cities. Not only this, it has got thousands of cities, and this thousands of cities, out of this we are going to study certain cities which are very important as per your question answers point of view, or you can say the examination points of view. If we are going to study the 1,000 cities, then definitely it is going to be tough for us. So that's why we will cover certain cities which is very much important. Okay, now in Indus Valley civilization, in this age, basically it is called a Bronze Age. Okay, why? Because in this age there was a huge use of bronze. Okay, and there were, you can say, utensils and all which are made of bronze. And what is the specialty about this kind of an cities? It has got a very good drainage system. Okay, that means you can say the water which is waste or passing of water, it is very much systematic in this kind of an age. Okay, so these are very much these are the areas which are very much good for drainage, you can say. It is created, or you can say it is, the valley is created and situated in such a way that the drainage system is very much clean, very much, you can say, managed here. Okay, so basically this age is also called an Harappan age. That means the Indus Valley civilization's other name is Harappan age. Now why Harappan? It is one of the city of Indus Valley. Okay, so this is a very important city of Indus Valley. That's why sometimes we call Indus Valley civilization as Harappan civilization. Okay, so this is certain points about Harappan civilization. Or you can say Indus Valley civilization. So hope this much is clear to you. Now next, in my further videos, I am going to explain certain things about Harappan. That means the city which is named as Harappa. Okay, so hope this video was helpful to you. So further coming up with my more videos, do like and subscribe my channel and give a like to the video if you really find it helpful. Thank you so much.